Understanding Tropical Birdsong, a journey into language and nature. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of English language and nature. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, tropical birdsong. This phrase is not only beautiful but also rich in meaning and imagery. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a nature lover, understanding this phrase will add a new dimension to your English vocabulary. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, tropical birdsong, into two parts, tropical and birdsong. Tropical. This word refers to the tropics, which are regions of the Earth surrounding the equator. They are known for their warm climates and lush, diverse ecosystems. When we hear tropical, we often think of rainforests, vibrant wildlife, and a sense of abundance and vitality. Birdsong. This part of the phrase refers to the sounds made by birds. It's not just any sound, but specifically the melodic and often complex sounds that birds use to communicate. Birdsong can convey a variety of messages, from attracting mates to marking territory. Together, tropical birdsong paints a picture of the rich, melodious sounds of birds that are typically heard in tropical regions. Now, let's delve into why tropical birdsong is a significant phrase. Cultural and artistic inspiration. Throughout history, the sounds of tropical birds have inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians. They often symbolize freedom, beauty, and the untamed aspects of nature. Biological diversity. The phrase also highlights the incredible biodiversity found in tropical regions. Each bird species has its own unique song, contributing to the rich tapestry of sounds in these environments. Environmental indicators. Interestingly, scientists often use birdsong as an indicator of the health of an ecosystem. Changes in birdsong patterns can signal environmental shifts or challenges. Understanding the significance of tropical birdsong helps us appreciate not just the phrase, but also the larger environmental and cultural contexts it represents. And there you have it. We hope this exploration into tropical birdsong has been as fascinating for you as it has been for us. This phrase is more than just words. It's a gateway to understanding the beauty and complexity of both language and nature. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video adventure.